want to insert a table using a keyboard, then you can do that also. See, press the plus symbol, dash डाल दो, press dash, again plus symbol, dash, dash. This dash will separate for the columns, okay? And last में plus करके just press enter and it will convert into the table, okay? And then press tab, 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 and it will increase the row numbers. समझ में आया? Got that?
Do again, sir.
Do it again. Okay. Press plus symbol and then dash. Okay. Dash will define the column size. So जितना भी लंबा dash होगा ना, that will be the length of the column size. So I'll take a small one. Okay. And press enter. Got that? फिर आप
Yes,
tab
sir.
दबा दीजिए, automatically it will increase the row numbers. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is used somewhere very useful जब आप बहुत जल्दी काम करते हो. And there are some shortcuts, more shortcuts also. If you're putting 3 dash together and then press enter, it will just give you a single line. If you're putting underscore 3 times and then press enter, it will give a little more thicker line. If you're going for a 3 equal to symbol and then press enter to give a double line. If you go for a tilde symbol 3 times and then press enter, it will give you a zigzag line. If you go for a 3 hash together and then press enter, it will give you this kind of line. So whenever you are writing anything like MS Word, and if you want to insert a line, then go for this, press enter, oh, sorry, not this one, 3 equals to, and then press enter and it will give you a line at most. Okay, you don't need to go to anywhere and insert a line. बात समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
So remember this dash we have 3 times. Everything is 3 times. We have underscore, we have equals to, we have tilde symbol, and we have hash. Okay, these 5 symbols I use 3 times. 3 times, and then press enter. इसे आप याद रखना, ठीक है? देख लिया आप लोगों ने?
Sir, that first one means a single line
Yeah.
with a thin.
Yeah, it's a thin line. The second one is a little bolder line, little
Okay.
thicker, underscore. Okay, equal
Okay,
to
sir.
will be the double line, and the this tilde symbol is used for this zigzag lines. And this
Yes.
hash symbol is for this mota wala line, whatever it is. Okay, done.
Yes.
Okay, it's 1. It's already 1. Can I take a half an